So the Mo Norman Notebook, this video came about because a really good friend of mine, Dr. Jim Sutty, who's a well-known golf instructor, had a video that he shot of Mo Norman in the early 90s. Now, this is a very intimate video with Dr. Sutty and Mo because it's really Dr. Sutty standing on the range with Mo, asking Mo what I call all the right questions. Mo did certain things in his swing, Mo had certain feelings, but Mo often couldn't explain things very well. But with a guy like Dr. Sutty asking Mo the questions, he asked him the kind of questions that you and I would ask him if we were standing right there and Mo was hitting golf balls. But the problem was Mo wouldn't talk to most people, but he talked to Dr. Sutty because he was good friends with Dr. Sutty. So Dr. Sutty gave me this video and he said, look, your students need to see this. This is something that would really help them understand Mo's swing because I asked them these great questions. So that's what I put on this video, was this interview of Doc talking to Mo, asking these questions, and really getting into why Mo's doing what he's doing. Why does he put the club behind the ball? What does his downswing feel like? How does his lower body move? Why does he hit into a flex lead knee? All the various aspects of Mo's swing, and listen to Mo answer the questions. This is one of my favorite videos to watch, and Dr. Sutty does a great job interviewing Mo in the process. And then the second part of this video is my practice notes. I spent 11 years practicing with Mo Norman, and I took notes when I practiced, things Mo would tell me, things. And what's funny was Mo would do something, teach me something, I would try to learn it, and then I couldn't really feel it, and then one day I'd be practicing, I'd be, oh, that's what he was talking about. These are my notes from my practice sessions of how I developed my own feelings around Mo Norman's swing. And the final video in this series is the Best of the Mo Clinic series. You know, Mo, we took a lot of video of Mo, sometimes in interview settings, doing certain things when he was hitting golf balls, but sometimes we just sat him down in a chair and talked to him about his philosophy on golf and life. So this is kind of the best of series 2 of Mo Norman. This is a great product as you dig deeper into the Mo Norman model, understand more of the single plane swing, and get to hear it from Mo Norman, the master himself, and obviously Dr. Sutty, who really did a great job of really helping us interpret Mo Norman was doing in the single plane swing. This is a great video as you go on step 2 of your path to GGA success.